How to solve backup or restore issues with WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix backup or restore issues with WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been having issues with WhatsApp backup chats and restoring them, first of all, open up WhatsApp. I'll show you what the issue is, and then tap the three dots icon here, go to settings, go to chats, scroll down and go to chat backup. Now, normally WhatsApp doesn't store the chats on your phone or on their servers. WhatsApp gives you the option to save the chat yourself to any account, such as it could be a Google Drive account if you're using on Android, and if you're using on iOS, it could be an iCloud account. So basically you have the privacy. And for this, first of all, you need to have a Google account, right? So make sure the correct Google account is selected in this case where it says Google account. Make sure it is the exact account where you're trying to back up your chats to. Then after that, you can say backup to Google Drive. You can select daily or only when you tap backup, or never, or whatever else you prefer. You can just go and select that. And to begin the backup process, you'll be able to see the size. Now, if you want to backup using cellular, you can turn on that. Or if you also want to include videos in the backup, but that is going to consume a lot of sizes as well in the process if you have lots of videos. So I'll just leave that off. And then just tap the backup option over here, as you can see. Once you tap on backup, you can see my backup is very smooth, and you can see it says preparing Google Drive backup. This backup will be saved to my Google account. Next time, if I want to restore the chat, I want to make sure I'm logged into the Google account on my phone first, then I can restore the chats after that. So I'll show you how it's done. Now I will go ahead and long press the WhatsApp app icon here. Then I'll just go ahead and then reset the WhatsApp application. Then I'll open from the first and show you how to restore. So open it up like this. Once you open it up, just choose a language here, select agree and continue, and then just make sure to enter your phone number as well. So let me also go ahead and then enter your phone number. Then just tap the next option. Once you hit the next option here, tap on OK. Then it will send a verification code over here. So we'll just tap on continue, and it will also give a call to this phone number. So we're going to verify and request a call. After it's done verifying, it will ask us whether or not we want to restore the chats we backed up earlier. But for that, again, as I said, you need to be logged into the exact Google account you backed up to, and then you'll be able to fix the backup or restore issues. So this way you can fix backup or restore issues with WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.